This week you are going to, it's week 1, so you need to familiarize yourself with our course, the way that it's outlined. Go make sure you go through the syllabus, understand the expectations, the textbook that's required, and the grading scheme. 60% for your weekly assignments, 20% for your final paper, 20% for the presentation. There's a description about weekly and chapter assignments, how you need to be submitting them, and you'll get information on how to submit each assignment. Specifically, some will be in writing, some will be electronically. You'll have a final paper. There's additional information on the course website for you. You'll have a final presentation that'll be for the department's faculty over your review paper. Also, more information will be available to you online. The schedule, it's a weekly course. Every week you'll have an assignment and or a chapter to read, so make sure you keep up with the deadlines. The course ends after week 14, the finals will start. So your presentation will happen during finals week, and that date will be determined during week 13 of the fall 2020 semester. And it is your responsibility to make sure that you do confirm that date and time with the instructor during week 13. These are descriptions of each and every assignment in order that you will be doing over the course of the semester, but they are also going to be found if you go to modules. And each week you click on the to-do list. So in class, introduction, this is what we're doing new this week. So this is your introduction into the course, and what you are assigned to do is to read chapter 1 in your textbook. And then you will complete assignment 1, which is to write a 1-page paper outlining divisions and subdivisions of chemistry. Include the following: a definition of each division and subdivision, which field of chemistry will interest you the most and why, and to make sure you use proper citations. In this course, we are going to use what's called the ACS citation guidelines, but for the most part, these can vary based on journals. So what you're going to see are some journal articles that will be posted in week 1 that will provide you examples of citations at the very end. So you'll have to scroll all the way to the very end, and you'll see the citations are at the end, and they're not going to be throughout the text. If you have ever taken a biology course, your citations usually are in text, but in chemistry we use numbers and then we cite everything at the end. So this will complete week 1. You have what we will do this week, which is the introduction to the course. You will read chapter 1 for next week, and then over the course of the next week, you will write a 1-page paper, and then you will be prepared to submit that at the start of week 2.